Hi guys, this is Juan Guzman again with MIU Week 2, Project 2, and just a quick video review. Uh, well, yeah, didn't do so good this week. I essentially ran out of time, so I didn't get a chance to finish my full project. And well, I'm not going to go into a whole laundry list of reasons as to why I didn't have enough time. They would just be interchangeable with excuses. But I will say that I spent the first half of the week basically just very confused. I was watching a lot of the video and the video tutorials, and I wasn't connecting really. I wasn't sure. Um, I wasn't reconciling the requirements of the project with the context of my app, basically. And so I was missing something. And so I was watching the videos. It wasn't until about Tuesday evening that I got to see the archive go-to training that I started getting a little bit clearer as to what I was supposed to do. And so I watched that, and I asked a few questions from our instructor, and she definitely very graciously was able to help me. And then I started coding on Wednesday. Anyway, so let me give you a quick overview of what I do have so far and what I'm going to submit. So this is my Project 2 app, and it has a very utilitarian look, and that's actually on purpose. Oops, let me go back. And the reason is because my app is really meant for field sales agents. And what I mean by that is that I work in the insurance sales business, and so we have a lot of agents that go out basically door to door. And so this mobile app kind of helps them keep track of all their lead and their lead sources. So it doesn't have to be pretty, it doesn't have to look great, it just has to be very functional and very practical. And so that's why that looks very utilitarian to it. This is by the way my gold app that I was working on. So here, you have your big start button to be able to start adding fields. I have my filter going on here. Let me see here. And of course, I have my browse contents and what have you. And below was my app. In my info, I have my another list with the icons here, and basically this would map to the bronze. And I actually didn't get. Oh, I got another error there. Let me see here. And I actually had not was able to get all the bugs worked out. However, my Git links did work, so it does link you to my Git hub, and also a little bit about myself. If I go here, it actually takes me to the Google Plus page in case you wondering where that takes you to. Um, I was also working on getting my inlay list. I was actually going to make a collapsible list out of here, but for some reason I wasn't sure why my code wasn't working here. It just kept, it wasn't collapsing, and you can see my code here. I wasn't sure what I was doing wrong. First, I was trying to make sure that I didn't spell collapsible wrong, but again, I wasn't sure. So I had a lot of difficulty narrowing it down. Let me see here. So that's really as much as I was working on is trying to get all those bugs to work. I will say that JQM, after I did get to learn a little bit better, I did go through the lynda.com videos for JQM, and I saw the videos on the tutorial for Full Sail. I absolutely think that JQM is absolutely awesome. It does make everything so much easier since it's all kind of pre-built for you. I have no experience with JQM before, and I have little to nothing experience with HTML. So working with JQM, working with HTML, it was just really, really, really fun. There's something very gratifying to get something to work and make it look, so presentable. I hope, I do anticipate that JQuM will make the form section much nicer. I actually got, the creative juices flowing as to how I was going to make it work with my forms. Anyways, that's my app so far. Like I said, epic fail this week, but I'm still moving forward with it. I am very much having fun with it, and I can't wait to see your guys' apps. I know that some of your guys' kung fu is actually really nice. So I do like watching your guys' YouTube video. So until next time, see you guys next week.